Hi students, let us see the example 1.38. Determine the values of lambda. We have to find the value for lambda for which the following system of equations 3 lambda minus 8 into x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 0, 3x plus 3 lambda minus x 8 into y plus 3z equal to 0, 3x plus 3y plus 3 lambda minus 8 into z equal to 0. They have given a homogeneous system of linear equation. We have to find the value for lambda. One more condition we have seen in this sum has a non-trivial solution. When we get non-trivial solution, if the coefficient matrix, the rank of coefficient matrix is equal to the rank of augmented matrix is equal to n minus k not equal to 0. That time we get the system of linear equation is consistent and it has non-trivial solution, isn't it? So here the number of unknowns, what is that? Three. They have given it has a non-trivial solution. So the given system of linear equation is consistent. What is it meaning? Row of A is equal to row of augmented matrix is equal to 2 less than 3. Here we are getting 3 unknowns, but the rank of coefficient matrix is equal to rank of augmented matrix is equal to n minus k, isn't it? This is n. Suppose k value is 1 means n minus k is 2. So now we can able to tell the system of linear equation is consistent and it has non-trivial solution. Okay, here the rank of the coefficient matrix is equal to the rank of augmented matrix is equal to 2 means here we have to introduce one parameter. Suppose if we are getting here 1 means we have to introduce 2 parameter. One more thing, it is a non-trivial solution means what is another one condition? The determinant value, when the determinant value of the coefficient matrix is equal to 0, that time only we get this rank and we can able to tell the system is non-trivial solution. So the determinant value, why we are finding like this, we have to find lambda value only, isn't it? So the determinant value of the coefficient matrix should be 0. Suppose the determinant value of the coefficient matrix is equal to 0, we can write or say the rank of the coefficient matrix is less than 3. Okay, this thing. Suppose this means it is consistent. So it has a trivial solution. Now I am going to find the first write matrix, coefficient matrix minus 8, 3, 3, 3, 3 lambda minus 8, 3, 3, 3, 3 lambda minus 8. I am going to find the determinant value of this. See, so before this, what I am going to do, I am going to add this R1 R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is very easy to find the value of lambda. 3 lambda minus 8 R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus 3 it will come 3 lambda minus 8 plus 2 plus 6 minus 2 it will come here. See 3 lambda minus 8 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 lambda minus 8 plus 6, 3 lambda minus 2. Okay, here also the same. So we'll get here 3 lambda minus 2. Here 3 lambda minus 8, 3 lambda minus 8. From R1, I am going to bring 3 lambda minus 2 outside. Remaining what we will get? 1, 1, 1, 3 lambda minus 8, 3 lambda minus 8. Then one more thing, we have to bring these terms into 0. For that, what I am going to do, I am going to add R2. R1 gives R1, R2 gives R2 minus 3R1, R3 gives R3 minus R2. For finding the lambda value, 3 lambda minus 2, 1, 1, 1, R2 minus 3R1, R3 minus 3R3. Just to find R2 minus 3R1, R3 minus 3R1. See, 3 minus 3 equal to 0. 3 lambda minus 8 minus 3 equal to 0. 3 lambda minus 11 equal to 0. Here 3 minus 3 lambda plus 8 equal to 0. 11 minus 3 lambda equal to 0. There 3 minus 3 0. So 0, 3 minus 3 lambda minus 11, there 0. Here 3 minus 3 0, 3 minus 3 0. Here what it will come? 3 lambda minus 11. Okay, now I am going to find that value. 3 lambda minus 2, 1 into 3 lambda minus 1, 11 whole square. 3 lambda minus 11 whole square. So see, 3 lambda minus 2, either this is equal to 0. The value is 0, na? Determinant value. Suppose either this 0 or this 0. 3 lambda minus 0, 3 lambda minus 2 equal to 0. 3 lambda minus 11 equal to 0. 3 lambda is equal to 2. Lambda is equal to 2 by 3. Here 3 lambda is equal to 11. Lambda is equal to 11 by 3. This is the answer for this sum. Okay. So this is the easy way to find the value of lambda. They have given the given system of linear equation has a non-trivial solution. So we can find from this the given system of linear equation is consistent and it has a non-trivial solution. So what is the main condition? Suppose if it has a non-trivial solution, the determinant value of the coefficient matrix should be 0. By using this statement, we have find the value of lambda. Thank you.